This holiday season, it's time to feel your best and not hate those family pictures or selfies. Dr. Richard Jackson from Changes Medical Spa is here with all the details on some special events happening this week. Dr. Jackson,
yes,
thanks so much for being here.
Good to be here.
Yeah,
Thanks,
so
Anna.
you guys have some big events happening, huh? Tell me a little bit about it.
On Thursday, the big event is going to be getting ready for Christmas, and we'll have $50 gift cards at two different functions, one at noon and one at 6. And we'll have free holiday makeovers all day. One of our biggest giveaways of the year.
Oh, wow. And so when people say, they want to look good this holiday season, what do they normally come to and ask you advice for?
Well, the most popular thing is Xeomin or Botox. And those are medications that relax muscles in order to relieve wrinkles that are caused by muscle contraction. And it takes a week or two for them to become effective after they're injected. So this is the time now, and they'll be effective by Christmas, and they last for months.
Right. So now is the time to take advantage of these deals that you have going on this week.
Right.
And so the big giveaway, Xeomin, tell me a little bit about that.
Okay. Xeomin is, again, a medication that reduces wrinkles by relaxing the muscles, and it takes about 20 units in the lower forehead, a little more if the muscles are bigger and stronger, but that reduces the frown lines so you don't look as angry and stressed. And if you want to reduce the crow's feet lines around the eyes, that's typically about 10 units per side. Varies a little from one person to another. And for the upper forehead, is another popular area, that's only 6 or 8 units.
Wow. And so this big giveaway, Xeomin is the big giveaway. Tell me a little bit about the deal.
Well, for people who have a minimum purchase, they're entered to win a 1-year supply of Xeomin.
Wow.
And last year's winner got about $1,800 worth.
Ooh, and that is totally worth it for sure. And what's great is that this event that's happening on Thursday, it's going to be all day, but you are also hosting a special lunch that day as well.
Right, and the lunch is free, and people have to reserve. That's the only catch, because we only have space for up to 20 people.
Okay.
There's a one-day special on Xeomin. That's at the lunch and all day. People who come to the lunch will get a $50 card for Xeomin. They can use any time that they want, and they don't have to get the Xeomin that day. It can be later on.
Right. And if people can't make it maybe to the noon lunch, they can still stop by any other time that day, right?
And it's $8 per unit. That's the lowest price on Xeomin that we've ever had.
Wonderful. And so if you can't make it to lunch, stop by after work. You guys have a kind of a wine and cheese event happening at 6 p.m. on Thursday, right?
Yes. And that will be a time when we don't need reservations for that, because we're not serving dinner, but we'll be talking about BioT, our hormone balancing and replacement program, which relieves the symptoms of menopause, helps people feel better, look better, and improves the health overall. And prevents chronic diseases.
Well, and so people can come on Thursday, talk to you about all these specials that you guys are running. But like you said, also talk about the hormone imbalance and anything else that you all offer, which I think is such a great tool that they can come and talk to you.
People who come to the 6 o'clock event will get a $50 gift card toward the BioT.
Wow, wonderful. Well, Dr. Jackson, thank you so much. We want to remind folks this special event is happening on Thursday. You have to RSVP to the lunch if you want to go, but no need to RSVP on the rest of the events happening later that day. Some specials happening. Make sure you stop by Changes Medical Spa from noon for the lunch, and 6 p.m. is a wine and cheese event. You can also visit changesmedical.com for more information.
And our Facebook page where all the details will be.
All right, Dr. Jackson, thanks so much. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Anna.